So my pawb, hi everyone. I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you to our virtual tours and information about the college and reassure you that we're working hard to ensure everyone can continue in education and training during these uncertain times. We know how important your education is, whether you're progressing in full-time education or topping up your skills through part-time programmes or reskilling to find a new job. But we also know that staying safe and well is a big concern for everyone. And what we don't know is when will life get back to normal. I want to reassure you that we've been working hard to ensure we have a full range of COVID measures in place, from social distancing and hygiene stations to the wearing of masks in social spaces, to ensure we're able to deliver all of our programmes in a variety of ways, from face-to-face in classrooms and workshops, or online through learning platforms such as Google Classroom, or even more likely through a combination of both. We'll do everything in our power to ensure that you are able to progress in learning and achieve the qualifications that you need to move on to university, apprenticeships, or in the world of work. I'd like to start my welcome by showing you a short video, followed by a presentation to give you a little bit of background information about the college. Diolch, thank you.
Mae cyfle yn eich disgwyl. Cyfle fydd yn eich ysbrydoli I lwyddo. Yn fwy nag ewneithoch ddoe. Mwy na graddau rhagorol. Gyrfa dyfodol. Nid yn unig arweinwyr, ond arloeswyr. Cawswch chi ddim eich geni yn wych, daw rhagoriaeth drwy heiddiant. Byddwch yn llawn ysbrydoliaeth, byddwch yn arloeswr ac fe newch lwyddo. Ni yw Coleg Cambria.
I hope you found the video useful to give you a glimpse of the types of activities we have at Cambria across the different sites. If you want more information about each site, there's more details on our website. In Wales, the quality provision in schools and colleges is inspected by Estyn. Estyn rated the college as excellent, making us one of the best colleges in Wales. The Further Education Report, which you can read on the intranet, highlighted the excellent care, support and guidance we give our learners, the great facilities and the high-quality teaching and learning that all of our students experience. We pride ourselves on our excellent facilities, having invested many millions in both updating our existing buildings and building new ones as part of a £60 million estate strategy. We believe that high-quality teaching and learning is enhanced by having the top-of-range facilities, resulting in excellent student outcomes to ensure our students get the very best, and that includes the staff who teach them. We are also a fully Google-enabled college. We have thousands of Chromebooks, so every student has access to one in their classroom, as well as having access to Google Classrooms from your own phone or home device 24/7. This means you can access your coursework, presentations, handouts, catch up on work and link in with your tutor online all the time. We are also the #1 user of ebooks in the UK, giving you free access to textbooks and course guides at the touch of a button. All students receive individual support from their own personal tutor, pastoral or progress coach, as well as from their subject lecturers. We have a large study skills department and online support to help anyone who is struggling with their work. Parents and carers will receive reports and be invited to progress evenings. Our Student Services Department provides support and guidance for anything else that might impact on your ability to attend college, from transport, financial advice and childcare, through to safeguarding and mental health support. We take a zero-tolerance approach to bullying and harassment and expect all students and staff to adhere to our code of conduct. I appreciate that for some, the college of this size may feel a little overwhelming. It's a big step up from school, but programmes are zoned into specific areas where you'll be able to be based all day on a day-to-day basis. It's really easy to find out where you are going, and the environment provides a supportive stepping stone from a smaller school environment before taking that even bigger step into university or the world of work. There are opportunities for everyone of all ages at Coleg Cambria, whatever level you are at, and it's important to us to get you on the right level of programme to support you to progress your education and career. We have a broad range of employability and entry programmes, as well as courses that enable you to experience different types of skills, if you're unsure exactly what you want to do. If you do know the route you want to take for your chosen career, or what you want to do to upskill or reskill, we have over 700 vocational courses to support you, including a wide range of BTEC Level 3 programmes, and everything from art and engineering through to childcare, entry to nursing and sports. These programmes are the equivalent of achieving 3 A-levels and give you the opportunity to progress to university, apprenticeships or the workplace, and for some careers could be a more effective route than A-levels. We also have a number of access to further education and higher education courses, alongside a broad range of higher education programmes that allow you to continue your education with us. We currently deliver a range of higher education programmes working with a number of partner universities, including Swansea, Aberystwyth, Bangor, Glyndŵr, Chester and Liverpool John Moores. We are proud of our A-level provision. We have 2 fabulous sixth form centres, Yale 6th in Wrexham and Deeside 6th in Deeside, offering a broad range of subjects. What makes us different to other school sixth forms is our size, which enables us to offer around 32 different subjects, and almost every student gets the opportunity to get their combination choice of A-level subjects. All staff are A-level subject specialists, and this means that they teach only A-levels, allowing them to focus on the high-quality teaching and learning of A-level subjects. We achieve a pass rate of 99%, but it's not just how many people pass or how many A's or A star we achieve. Our focus is on what you are targeted to achieve when you start and what you actually achieve when you leave. This is called a value-added measure, and at Cambria we use a measure called ALPS. This is a UK measure looking at schools and colleges' A-level outcomes across the UK, and we've been ranked in the top 10% of all institutions across the UK over a 3-year period, meaning we stretch and challenge you to be the best you can be. Our gifted and talented and academic study support programmes help students progress into top universities, and we are part of the SEREN network. This year we had 114 students progressing into Sutton Trust universities and 5 moving into Oxbridge. 13 students progressed onto medical, veterinary or dental science. However, we still have a sixth form feel with an enrichment and pastoral support and everything you would expect and want from a school sixth form or a college sixth form to support you to achieve your A-levels, but in a more adult environment. We work very closely with local and regional employer groups to ensure that the programmes we offer meet the needs of the local economy and the employer base in the area. Many of our curriculum areas are supported and sponsored by local and national employers, and all areas have strong employer links to support the curriculum developments, provide placement opportunities and offer apprenticeships. All of our vocational lecturers and work-based assessors have strong industry backgrounds and refresh their industry knowledge and expertise on a regular basis. Our vocational learners get the opportunity to test their practical skills against their classmates and those of other students across the UK. At Cambria, we're passionate advocates of skills competitions as we believe they improve standards and challenge high-quality teaching and learning. WorldSkills UK competitions support the most gifted vocational learners to test their practical skills and knowledge against the best across the 4 nations. There is a large number of regional heats in which they need to be successful before they have a chance of making it to the UK finals. Cambria has been placed first in Wales each year for the last 5 years. The 22 learners featured on this slide competed in the UK finals this year, where Cambria was placed 4th overall, having been placed 2nd for the previous 3 years. 3 of these young people have now been selected to join the UK Long Squad for WorldSkills Shanghai in 2021, and we've been working hard to keep their places in the squad. We're really proud to be one of the top performing colleges in the UK and the top performing college in Wales. We know that WorldSkills medalists are learners amongst the very best in the UK in their chosen skill. We are incredibly proud of their success and achievements, as we are proud of the staff who have supported and taught them. Life at Cambria is more than what happens in the classroom. We have a broad range of enrichment activities to support you to develop, far too many to mention them all, but here are just a few. We are one of the largest deliverer of the Duke of Edinburgh Awards, offering bronze, silver and gold. Our Active at Cambria programme is open to everyone and has a huge range of fun activities, exercise opportunities and advice on how to stay healthy. Our elite sports programmes encourage students who are gifted in the field of sports to continue, to grow and to develop. Our football, rugby and netball teams have had high levels of success across the UK, and past students have gone on to be medal winners internationally in a range of team and individual sports. We also have very active student rep groups, campus councils, student parliament and student governors. There are a wide range of societies and groups for students to join, everything from enterprise and debating societies through to groups such as Knit and Natter, and we change what's on offer based on feedback from the students. Our more able and talented activities look at your gifts and how we can support you to develop them, whether that's in an academic field or a field of music, or a wide range of other opportunities. We have many case studies on our website and clips from students to give you a taste of some of the things we have on offer at Cambria, and to hear what our students think of life at Cambria. Please look at our website for more details. I hope that this has given you a feel for what we do at Cambria. It's really quick and easy to apply for courses either online, on our website, or by ringing the number on the screen. Please do take the opportunity today to visit the other sessions that are taking place and find out more about what happens at the college. You can also ask staff what they think about the different programmes on offer and get some further advice, or visit our frequently asked questions on the website. Diolch am wrando heddiw. Thank you for listening today.